In this video, I would like to show you how you can create a conversion in your Google Analytics 4 property and what are the settings that you can adjust when creating conversion. So first of all, conversion isn't based on event. So every time you create conversion in Google Analytics 4, you need to have event that is being sent to that GA4 property that then you can mark as a conversion. And why would you do that? So first of all, if you have your Google Analytics 4 account connected to Google Ads account or other Google advertising platforms, you can use that conversion as a conversion event in those platforms as well. So you can optimize your campaigns on that. The second benefit is you will get access to conversion rate metrics, either on session level or user level. So to do this, you will need to navigate to your admin section of your Google Analytics 4 property, and then under events, you will see the list of all the events that are collected in this particular GA4 property. On the right, you have a toggle to mark that event as a conversion. So we can do that. Like, let's say session start event. In this case, I want to track that as a conversion. And just like that, that event is now marked as a conversion. If you go to the conversion tab on the left, here you have an overview of all the events that are marked as a conversion. And if you click on these three dots, you will have two options here. So you can either change counting method for that conversion or set default conversion value. So first, let's talk about change counting method. So in Universal Analytics, a goal could be counted only once per session. And in GA4, you have two options. So you can either count it once per session, as it used to be in Universal Analytics, or you can count every single occurrence of that event within the session as a conversion. And in this user interface, you can choose which counting method should be used. So I would recommend once per event, but it really depends on the type of the conversion. And the second option you have is to set a default conversion value. So each event can carry a conversion value or just value, which will be used as your conversion value if that particular event is marked as a conversion. But you can also set a default conversion value. And this is very useful for the scenarios where the conversion value is not appended to that conversion event for whatever reason. So if you are sending a conversion value in that event, that will always take precedence and that will always be applied. But if that is missing and you set a default conversion value instead, that will be used in your reporting. So you can set default conversion value of $10, let's say. Obviously, you can choose whatever currency you like and then just hit save. Once you have your conversions set up, you can go to, for example, acquisition reports. And then in this table, you will have your conversions that you can choose from. So for example, session start. And then also you can edit this report to add conversion rates. So if you search here for conversion rate, and just like that, you can choose your conversions and see the conversion rates of that particular conversion or absolute number of conversions that happened. I hope this quick video was helpful for you and see you in the next one.